Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to see saved passwords stored in your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Google Chrome web browser if it's not already open. And you want to navigate over to the menu icon near the top right and just left click on it one time. Now you want to go down and left click on settings. Now that you're on the settings page, you want to scroll down here, and then when you get to advanced, left click on advanced one time. So keep scrolling down here. Underneath passwords and forms, left click on manage passwords, offer to save web passwords, left click on that one time. So if you have any saved passwords for any websites, they will appear here. Just with left click on it, and then you'd have the ability to exit out and delete any saved passwords for websites, and then the same would go if you had any websites you said you did not want to save your password for future sessions, and they would be listed right here. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope I was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.